Go Ghost. The real goal is freedom and wealth. Welcome to School of Soul. I'm ADELINE Atlas, the author of the School of Soul series, a 6-time published author, master manifester, and your cheerleader bestie on the internet. The power of going ghost. Understanding. The concept of going ghost. Going ghost doesn't mean disappearing completely. It's about strategically withdrawing from environments and relationships that drain your energy or distract you from your goals. It's a conscious decision to prioritize your personal growth, financial freedom, and overall well-being over superficial validation or social approval. The goal: rich and free. In today's society, there is immense pressure to be constantly visible, especially on social media. However, true success isn't about how many people see you, but about the quality of your life and the freedom you achieve. The goal is to be rich, not just in terms of money, but in experiences, health, and happiness, and free from the constraints that hold you back. Breaking down the elements of going ghost. 1. Financial freedom. Focus on building wealth in a way that aligns with your values and long-term goals. This means making smart financial decisions, investing wisely, and living below your means to accumulate wealth over time. 2. Personal growth. Use your time away from the public eye to invest in yourself. This could be through education, developing new skills, or pursuing passions that enrich your life. 3. Mental health. Protect your mental well-being by limiting exposure to negativity and drama. Going ghost allows you to create a peaceful environment where you can thrive without external pressures. 4. Meaningful relationships. Prioritize relationships that add value to your life. Surround yourself with people who support your goals and inspire you to be your best self. The dangers of being broke and seen. 1. Being broke and superficial validation. Constantly seeking approval from others can lead to a superficial life where your worth is determined by likes and comments rather than your true accomplishments. 2. Financial strain. Living to impress others often results in overspending and financial instability. It's essential to manage your finances wisely to ensure long-term security. 3. Emotional exhaustion. Trying to maintain a facade can be emotionally draining. It's important to focus on genuine happiness rather than the illusion of a perfect life. Strategies for going ghost. 1. Limit social media use. Reduce the time you spend on social media platforms. Use this time for productive activities that contribute to your goals. 2. Create a financial plan. Develop a detailed financial plan that outlines your income, expenses, savings, and investment strategies. Stick to this plan to build wealth over time. 3. Set boundaries. Establish clear boundaries with people and activities that don't align with your goals. Learn to say no and prioritize your time effectively. 4. Invest in yourself. Allocate time and resources towards personal development. This could include reading books, taking courses, or engaging in hobbies that bring you joy and fulfillment. Exercise. Planning your ghost mode. 1. Identify distractions. List the activities and relationships that distract you from your goals. Consider how much time and energy you spend on these distractions. 2. Set clear goals. Define what being rich and free means to you. Set specific, measurable goals for your finances, personal growth, and mental health. 3. Develop an action plan. Create a step-by-step plan to achieve your goals. This should include timelines, resources needed, and milestones to track your progress. 4. Monitor your progress. Regularly review your progress towards your goals. Adjust your plan as needed to stay on track and maintain focus. I remember a period in my life when I felt overwhelmed by the need to be constantly visible and validated by others. This constant pressure led to burnout and financial strain. It wasn't until I decided to go ghost, focusing on my personal growth, financial freedom, and mental health, that I truly began to thrive. This decision allowed me to build a life of abundance and freedom, far from the superficial validation that once consumed me. Going ghost is about reclaiming your time, energy, and focus to build a life that is rich in every sense of the word. It's about prioritizing your well-being and financial freedom over the need to be constantly seen and validated by others. Remember, the goal is to be rich and free, not broke and seen. Thank you for watching today's episode on the power of going ghost. If you're inspired to delve deeper into living a life of true freedom and abundance, be sure to check out my book, Why Play, available now. It's a guide to embracing your true potential and living a life of purpose and prosperity. Until next time, have a blessed day.